So I was taking out the tub spout with my brand new rigid tub tool because it's leaking. Yes, I had to cut a hole on a sheetrock. This is the sheetrock that they just redid for when we had that leak. Oh, look at that. It's not even tight. That was probably our whole problem right there. Just, oh my God. People. There's no plumber's putty underneath the sink thing. So it probably caused them to tighten it too much, and they didn't tighten this part of it. So now, I'll figure out a way to get out of that. Because now it's snapped off. Right there. That's just some. That's not good, is it? Aside for a second, just in case he comes, I can kind of. I take all this out. It's got concrete in it. There's concrete everywhere. Oh, well, hell, I might get lucky. Me. Yeah, boy. Okay. Yeah, she's a leaker, mama. I'm not stealing her glory, Steve, but she is. Oh, God. I don't know how Steve does it. Stupid screw fitting stuff. Right up against the tub, too. And how this stuff moves freely, so. Make sure they got it in here. Well, it's only been on there since 1988, so. Ow. Take the top part out too. Oh, Lord Jesus. What a damn job. I knew this was not gonna go well. Baseboard pins. Damn baseboard nails. They're cutting in my hands. Pissing me off. There you go. Can y'all see all the moistness and the greatness? And this is not working. I'm gonna have to see what I can do. Take off the top here, but I'll loosen everything here in the bottom. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. And this thing better not wait when I'm done with it. Just cut through brand new sheetrock to get to it. There's just razor blades of glory in here, man. There's metal studs. There we go. We got that loose. I'll be right back, guys. The family members in there. All I did was take the screws out of the back of that. He's hounding me a little bit, so take all this stuff out of here. show you the damages. We snapped the shoe. Plumbing at its finest. Look at that. Oh my God. Snapped it right off.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck. I need that piece. I got everything. I know. That's how it goes. Alright, so what can you do? Oh God. So here's a piece of plastic still on the drain. I loosened it enough as I can, and then it snapped. How the heck am I gonna get that off of there? And I'm the only one here today. Jeff's gonna have to figure out something. Hold on. I think I know what I'll do. I'm gonna try to bring you guys in there so you can see, but we'll find out in 1 second. Well, get in there. Don't now. Let's try. I already slotted it. Nope. Stand by. Goodness gracious. Never in my life. Let me do this without slicing my hand open. Yeah, I just sliced the, there we go. Yeah, but you know what? It is gonna be till Monday. I just asked my boss, he said, we used the last shoot a couple months ago. So he's gonna, on his way to work Monday, he's gonna go by Home Depot and pick up a kit. So, yeah, I'm just gonna prep it for now, so when we get to, there it is. Yeah, see, that's dirt, basically. See, that's the dirt. It's crazy, man. This place is crazy. If you know, if they didn't had that flood, and they didn't rip out all this stuff, and I didn't make that video, I made a video saying this is what happens when, you know, sprinkler head gets knocked off. And I remember seeing the shoes like right by the, of course they're gonna be by it, but
Yeah.
I knew exactly where this one was. Like I was like, I remember that. I remember this. I was
That's
like,
good though. Saved you some time.
I mean, I'm about 4 inches away.
Save the walls sometimes. Save the walls on missing piece also.
Yeah. So, now I just pop that up into the tub, pick it up. Yeah, but that's crazy. That's definitely saw marks.
Yeah.
And I didn't have this before, so I didn't do it.
Somebody did that. Somebody cut that.
Yep. And it just split, had no rigidity. It's crazy. Why do you need to go so deep to cut 1/4 inch sheetrock? And I couldn't use my little fancy camera because there was insulation back there, so I just dumped that because it was wet.
All right.
But we'll leave it open for now so it dry out and do its thing.
I'll just shower and everything.
Alright. Yeah, and I'll put this piece of sheetrock somewhere. How perfect was that? I poked 2 little holes in this way. I mean, it's not wet over here. Only in that gutter. So just keep that sheetrock going. So I guess I'll be back Monday doing. I'll be Plumber Jeff. Right. Alright, so here's what we got. The tub spout, which had the 2 screws, or 4 screws in it rather. And when I tried to undo it, there was nothing here. And as you can see, somebody cut that, guys. Somebody cut that and then it split the rest of the way. And that little angle right there snapped off, so not much rigidity or anything in the pipe. So then I had, of course, that's what snapped off and stayed on, so I had to cut it with a Sawzall there to get it off, so I could get the drain out. I tried as I might, but this being brass was just snapping apart, so finally I said the heck with it, let's cut it, and that's when I cut it. So leave this for the boss man so you can see what parts I took out of there and or whatnot. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This was a real fun job. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.